Hi, it's Dwayne from Modders Inc. And today I'm going to show you how to put something back together once you take it apart. Or I should say, how you take something apart so you can put it back together. I don't know anybody who's ever not been able to put something back together. It's easy to get organized. All you've got to do is train yourself. That's right, train yourself to do this, and it'll be just that simple. Taking something apart is not that difficult. Anybody can take anything apart. It's putting it back together. That's the hardest part. So what I'm going to show you is a couple of tips that I've gathered over the years. It's really kind of helped me, and hopefully that it'll help you. One of the first things, right, is the simple stuff. Pen and paper, right? So I always have a composition book around, so if I have ideas or if I'm working on a case or I'm writing something down, I can also go in there and go, hey, so, you know, this is where this piece goes, this is what this piece looks like, maybe draw a little screw, this is where it goes inside there. I know, very old school, 95% of you are not going to do this, but I'm going to bring it up anyway. But I really like it because I have where I sit down and I actually put stuff in there, like I have an idea of, you know, making a case, and I put all my ideas down there. So that is a good idea, just to even have that just around, even if you don't use it for organization. The other simple thing, which I'm guessing probably 99% of you would do, is take a picture. Right? It's that simple. You've always got your cell phone with you, so hey, I'm gonna take this apart, take a picture of before, and take a picture after you've taken it apart. Maybe what screws went there, right? Well, these go into the side panel. Hey, these hold the hard drive cage in. Hey, this is where the motherboard goes. It's just that simple. So you can go back and go, oh yeah, it takes those little special screws, right? It's that simple. The other cool idea is that you can take those and you can put those into work logs and into the Modders Inc. forums and show how you made your case. Come on, everybody loves to show what they did. We got great stuff going on in the forums, lots of cool cases, lots of cool people in there. You've already got the pictures, upload them to the site. Say, hey, this is my case I'm working on, what do you guys think? And this is what I did. Boom, done deal. I know it's not as easy as Facebook, but you know what? It goes by that quick on Facebook. In the forums, it stays forever and ever and ever. So that's probably the number one thing that everybody's gonna do. Me, I'm in between that kind of a thing. What I like to do is take the little containers that I get, right? So believe it or not, this was from a fast food restaurant that some potatoes came in, and I use it to put screws in, like these are motherboard screws. So while I'm working on something and taking it apart, I can put them in there, and I know exactly where they're at. Now I use a light colored cup because these are black, and almost everything is black. So if you use a black cup and you put them in there, well, it disappears. What's good with that? This is great, so when you're taking something apart, you put it right back together. And let's just say you're switching out your motherboard. Boom, boom. Put the screws in, take it out, put it back in. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Very awesome on that. Another one, another freebie, right? So this I got, I think it was smoked ham came in this. So it comes with a lid. It's a nice sized container. It's awesome. So you take it and you put your stuff in there, like, hey, there's a bracket or your pin or whatever else you want to put in there, right? And you lock it up. Hey, look, nothing falls out. But the other problem is, well, what is it? Well, where does it go? Aha, the magic of painter's tape. Take some painter's tape, you put it on there, you write on there. This goes to the hard drive cage in case A, B, C. When you come back a week or two or a month or 6 months later, you know exactly where it goes. See? Are you starting to catch on, right? Starting to catch on? But the hardest part is training yourself to do this. It's really simple. It's really simple. And if you don't have any of these, go buy some. You can buy, I think, 4 for like $2.99. Go to the dollar store, you know, get them for like $1 a piece or less. Lifesaver. I highly recommend this kind of stuff. If you don't want to do that, baggies, baggies, right? So you've got the different size baggies. I use this baggie that has the little sliding lock top on it. Why? Because I reuse these. I reuse these all the time. Same thing with the big size one. Sure, might cost like $1 more for the box of them. So what? It's better than trying to pull these little things apart and you're going, get all aggravated. No. Same principle as this. You can take stuff and put it into it. Hey, this is the front fan that came out of case A, B, C, D. Oh, but how do I know that? Do I just recognize it? No. Blue tape. Put it on there. Write it on there. Now you know forever until you get back to it. Why would I put blue tape on that? Because I don't want it to be written all over this stuff. And maybe I've got the wrong thing on there. Oh yeah, this is a hard drive cage for E, F, and G case. No, where does that go? Plus I can take it back off, retape it again. Why such a big baggie? What do you think? I can put like a whole motherboard already put together and stuff inside of it. Right? I mean, like a video card. Okay, this is going to be for this particular project. That, that, not that, I guess. I guess that doesn't want to go. Neither does that. But you get the idea. You can put stuff in there. And again, tape. Tag it. Done. You come back later. Hey, yeah, that's right. That goes to the XYZ project. Wow, I was so smart to put it all together. Or let's say you want a new headset. You don't want to use the old ones anymore. So you just throw them in a box, right? Why? Grab a baggie, put it in there, tag it. You have everything together. If you ever want to sell it, right? You go, hey, look at this, man. I got all the paperwork. I got the whole thing. You can get more money for it. Plus, it's in a much better condition. It's not ripped up or torn up or it's not stepped on. It looks great. Sealed up. $30. You bet. Okay? It's that simple, guys. I hope I helped you out. Please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that little bell. Little bell, you see it after you subscribe. So subscribe first, then hit the bell. That way when we get out new videos, you'll be able to watch all the new videos that we have coming out. If you don't want to see any of the new videos, why don't you go back and watch some of the old videos? A lot of them are really good. But please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Wow, I did that all in one take. That's pretty good.